Thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Need ko pa magbawas si Marie para si Michi para magkasya yung gown ko. May fundraising para sa cancer ba? Cancer na victim of prevention. So, yun. Hindi natin umatin. May help sa mga ganong mga bagay. Pilipina mga din. May Pilipina man na doon kasali. Designer. Doon lang kami sa mura-mura na ticket kasi hindi naman kami uminom ng wine. Mabuti, nag-on sale sila. 55 na lang. Tapos sa magandang restaurant. Dinner. Ayan. Pero dapat lagi? Black tie. Diyos niyo. Kailangan ko magpa-late ng konti sa baywang. Sabi ko, naku, ngayon ko lang nalalaman din. Kahapon ko nalaman, sabi ko, mabuti lang nakapapayat na ako konti. Ay, kung hindi, ay na. Walang magkasya. Mabuti may magkasya na ngayon sa aking konting damit. Ayan. Ouch! Yeah. Oh, wow! Irene! Aray ko! Good morning! Tamsak Irene! Lati, sino siya? Irene, thank you! Thank you guys! Thank you so much for watching! Uy, wala man pala siya, watcher siya. Irene, kumusta? Thank you. Sobrahan natin ng 2 minutes. Hi, Cinco! Lovely, thank you! Thank you so much. So, si Marie, thank you so much. Sino pa? Michi, thank you. Mimit. Siten, thank you, Siten. My friend, thank you so much. Thank you. Lucy, you must be good sheep. You look great. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm trying. I'm trying to go back in shape. Just want to lose weight a little bit, like maybe 15 pounds more. I need to lose 15 pounds. Thank you. Thank you. Si Michi, mag-i-end na ako ha. Thank you so much. Yeah, because I use my ideal weight is about like 110 pounds. Now I am 128. So I have to lose more. Thank you so much, Michi. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye. I have to end my live stream. I am live for 1 hour and 30 minutes already. So this is big good. I need to rest also. Thank you so much, Cinco. Thank you. Close your bye. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, everyone. Michi. Thank you. Bye. I have to